Hey guys, back with the Jeep, the JK. Yes, I still have to do a walk around video on it real soon, but what we're gonna do today is we're gonna install these. I got them off of eBay for 15 bucks with free shipping. They're Mopar genuine grab handles. So we're gonna put them in. That should take hopefully a couple of minutes. Let's get to it. Now all we're going to do is we're going to put the grab handles, they go right here, the same thing on the other side. And hopefully this video comes out good. They're saying you're supposed to have the I still have to have the side steps done on this, so sometimes I cheat, I use a milk crate. Okay, so let's... Okay. Got the two grab handles, they say Jeep on them. It's supposed to... The buckle's facing out. So, let's see. So the buckle's facing out. I guess where you want them. Oh, this is fun. One side done. Just put them in the buckle. They don't, believe it or not, I have the factory padding in the way. Not in the way, it's, you know, it's still installed, which I'm definitely not removing. So they don't give you much to play with. So you adjust it where you want them. And you just I'm going to adjust them real quick. Alright, installed them. I don't know if it's a little bit hard to see. Kind of got them centered in the center here of the bar. And you just loop it through the buckle. And you just put it through here. And you just tighten it up like a belt. And it's not bad, you know, it helps you get in and out of the Jeep. They're not bad. They're alright for 15 bucks. It'll help you get in and out of the Jeep safely. I'm gonna go do the other side real quick, and then we'll come right back. Okay, I put the other side in, as you can see. Hey, remember the buckles face out. He's gonna loop it through, and that's it, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.